Gururam Namaste. Good afternoon, all of you. My dear first class students. We will discuss about multiplications from your activity book. Volume 3, page number 21. See here. Match each repeated addition to its corresponding multiplications. First, I can explain 3 plus 3 plus 3. See here, already I told you people what is meant by multiplication. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. See here, 3, 3, 3. So it can be written as 3. So in each case one have to see 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 3 into 3 is repeated how many times, means 3 is added how many times? 1, 2, 3 times. Then you can write 3 3s are 9. Now next 4 plus 4. So 4 is repeated 2 times. So here the given number is 4. 4 is repeated 2 times. 4 plus 4. So it can be written as 4 into 2. Next 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. See here, that is equals to 2 into 2. How many times repeated? Once count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it can be written as 2 into 6. Then next now 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5. 5 is added or 5 is repeated 5 times. Means you can write 5 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. 5 into 5. Now next 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 beta. So the number is 7 into 7 is repeated how many times beta? Once count 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can write 7 into 4. Now next 8 plus 8. The number 8 is repeated only 2 times. Then you can write 8 into 2. See once again. 3 plus 3 plus 3. Then 3 is repeated 3 times. It can be written as 3 into 3. Now 4 plus 4 means 4 into 4 is repeated how many times? Here beta 2 times. Then you can write 4 into 2. Next here 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So 2 is repeated how many times? Beta 6 times. Then you can write 2 into 6. Next 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 5 into 5 how many times repeated? Once count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can be written as 5 into 5. Next 7. 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. The number 7 is repeated how many times? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you can write 7 into 4. Next 8 plus 8. So the number 8 is repeated how many times? Beta 2 times. Then you can write 8 into 2 and match the following. See here 3 into 3. Where is 3 into 3? Here. Match. Next 4 into 4. 4 into 4 means 4 into 2. Where is 4 into 4? Here. 4 into 2. Next 2 into 6. Next 5 into 5. Next 7 into 4. 8 into 2. Everybody match this like only. Now next solve the following multiplications. So first one is 4 into 8 means 4 is multiplied with the number 8. Then you can read 8 table. So 8 1 the 8, 8 2 the 16, 8 3 the 24. Now 8 4 the 32. Write down everybody here 32. Then next 3 into 4. 3 is multiplied with 4. Then you can read 4 table. So 4 1 the 4, 4 2 the 8, 4 3 the 12. Write down everybody 12. Now next 8 into 5. So 8 is multiplied with 5. Then you can read 5 table. So 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, 5 3 the 15, 5 4 the 20, 5 5 the 25, 5 6 the 30, 5 7 the 35, 5 8 the 40. Now next 6 into 7. 6 is multiplied with 7. Then you can read 7 table. 7 6 the 42. Now next 5 is multiplied by 10. So then you can read 10 table. 10 5 is 50. Now next 9 into 6. 9 is multiplied with 6. Then you can read 6 table. 6 9 is 54. Write down everybody. So today your activity book is completed. Now workbook. See beta workbook also completed. So now I am writing multiplication tables. So everybody read. So everybody write down in your rough book. One ones are one, one twos are two, one threes are three, one fours are four, one fives are five, one six are six, one sevens are seven, one eights are eight, one nines are nine, one tens are 10. Now second table. Two ones are two, two twos are four, two threes are six, two fours are eight, two fives are 10, two sixes are 12, two sevens are 14, two eights are 16, two nines are 18, two tens are 20. Next three tables. Three ones are three, three twos are six. Write down everybody. Three threes are 9, three fours are 12, three fives are 15, three sixes are 18, three sevens are 21, three eights are 24, three nines are 27, three tens are 30. Now fourth table. Four ones are four, four twos are 8, four threes are 12, four fours are 16, four fives are 20, four sixes are 24, four sevens are 28, four eights are 32, four nines are 36, four tens are 40. Next, five table. Five ones are 5, five twos are 10, five threes are 15, five fours are 20, five fives are 25, five sixes are 30, five sevens are 35, five eights are 40, 5 9s are 45. 5 10s are 50. Now sixth table. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. 6 4s are 24. 6 5s are 30. 6 6s are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are 60. Next seventh table. 7 1s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 35. 7 6s are 42. 7 7s are 49. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 10s are 70. Next 8 table. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. 8 10s are 80. Next 9 table. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. 9 6s are 54. 9 7s are 63. 9 8s are 72. 9 9s are 81. 9 10s are 90. Next 10 table. 10 1s are 10. 10 2s are 20. 10 3s are 30. 10 4s are 40. 10 5s are 50. 10 6s are 60. 10 7s are 70. 10 8s are 80. 10 9s are 90. 10 10s are 100. Okay, my dear students, everybody reads 1 to 10 multiplication tables today itself. Your class is completed. Thank you to all.